So I'm coming in with lower back pain, upper shoulder pain, and T&J as well. Heard that?
You feel good?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
A lot of tension right through here, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Felt great.
Lift up your right leg right from your hip as high as you can. Get down. Other one. Down. Was one harder than the other?
Yeah, the right side.
The right side was harder?
Mm-hmm.
Lift to your left side as high as you can. Down, and the right side. You almost kicked me.
Oh, sorry.
Was it easier?
Yeah, it was.
No, I was just kidding. You didn't kick me, but you lifted it up a lot higher.
Yeah.
So that adjustment we did when you were lying down, that was not only the that upper thoracic area, but it was also your neck. We're just making sure everything's clear. A little bit right there. You feel that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And close. Where did you feel the click?
Over here.
Uh-huh.
This
like
feels a little tight too.
Yeah, I feel like I can feel that click when it happens. I can actually feel it on both sides.
Yeah.
Okay, keep it closed. I think you're looking even taller.
Do I?
Yeah.
Even taller than I already look today?
Yeah. How's the neck feel?
Good. It's very good.
Is it moving a little bit easier?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, look, you're turning like almost 90 degrees now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how about
Feels
the
good.
lower back?
Feels good.
How about that mid-back area? We had that big smile after that adjustment.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels good. Very good.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.